is your favorite reporter, Adriana here, reporting on another superstorm that's going to hit New York. The Juno blizzard is set to hit starting tomorrow, maybe even tonight. Mayor de Blasio says it's going to be one of the biggest storms that's ever hit New York City. And I'll be here reporting on everything that's happening, so stay tuned. As you can see, everyone's getting all stuffed up in case we get snowed in on Tuesday. It's quite the scene here. As you can see behind me, there's more people in this Whole Foods than there ever is. So thank God we're New Yorkers and able to deal with crowds, but who knows how long all the food's going to last. How's your shopping experience been during this crazy snowstorm? Messed up. That is just messed up. Wow, that was crazy in Whole Foods. I don't even want to know what it's going to be like tomorrow. Now, there's no snow falling yet, but I'll be here reporting all week about the Juno snowstorm coming to New York City. Love you.